Okay, I have done some updates. This is very rough, but I think based on our discussions, we can have a look to this option. Well, first of all, I have done the driveway as per that file. So I left 1 meter, then 3 meters driveway, and then based on that, they leave 2 meters, and they're in a radius of 2.250, and that give us these dimensions, internal dimensions of our garage: 6 meters, 5,850. I'm pretty sure that we can bite a little bit in here, so as to make this 6 meter, and ideally as to make this area a bit wider. Now let's talk about this. Behind the garage, we have, well, on the side, all the joinery for the kitchen and upper shelving, and on this side, under the return of the stairs, we have the pantry, because this gets to 1.7 on the landing, and then it gets to 2 meters. So there's plenty of room here for a pantry. Then in here we have a corridor, then a bathroom with a window at the back, and a laundry. Now this laundry, we have maybe like drying machine, washing machine, and bench, and dirty clothes, or drying machine just on top of the washing machine. This is kind of a wardrobe. So this, in theory, is that we can enclose in here, and then the whole thing becomes a laundry. Maybe we can add an opening to the back, and it's quite tight, but it's quite efficient also. Now, we get into the house. We have I did this return because I think it's nice to have some sort of privacy, but we can get straight in. Then we have some space for shelving, coats, and stuff like that, and a lobby. Right in the lobby, we have the stairs to go upstairs, and the reason is because I think this is nice to have it pretty close to the entry, since a lot of people just get in the house and go upstairs. Then behind this shelving, we have like the study or the guest room, or something that we can even not put. We could avoid this wall, or remove the wall, and have a bigger living room or TV room, whatever. That was discussed on the today. Then kitchen, we have an island, some space like 1.5 meter from the back of the chair, with a dining table, and then like a fairly big living room with, then we probably work some openings in here to enjoy the garden. Now the front, we have the front strip of 3 meters, which ideally we can then negotiate with council, and have something smaller, something like this. So we still have an area of 3 meters for deeper trees, and then we have a larger area that we give to this room. And if not, we still comply. And I have this circle of 5 meters radius, and now I'm actually in doubt if it's not a circle but a square. I'll check that later. Now we have this recess, and the reason is to save some FSR, and to also have some eastern sun into here, and because the hero shot of this house is that all this is a void. So we come in here, we go upstairs, and then we have all this being a void. So if we go upstairs, this is completely unresolved, but it will be something like, come here, we have a bedroom, a bathroom somehow, another bedroom, the void, and then a master bedroom. Because this is fairly big, we could even have a study in here, then maybe even walk-in robe or whatever. Maybe we have the study in here, and then there's still plenty of room for a small tiny study, and then walk-in robe, his and hers, bathroom, and then a terrace. And this is something that this terrace we can play, to get to have some more size. Now I have recessed this upper body to the south, and then on the other building, instead of being symmetrical, I think we can put it in here, um, or the other way around. I mean, we can play with this to have some more access to the sun, which probably would be actually the opposite way. But this is something we can study. We can have them exactly symmetrical, or we can play with them and having some privacy, etc., etc. Now, this building and this building are not exactly symmetrical, though symmetrical would be much better because it's just copy and paste, but I think it would make more sense to have, you see that this shape, have the byte in here, and then in here we have the byte to the north, just to have some more, yeah, some more light on this dwelling. Now then, this one, this distance is 3.6 meters. This is for the return. This is based on the traffic consultant. Then, as you can see, nothing has been resolved. The only thing is just for sizing, and for sizing we have that the house 1 is 93 square meters without the garage and 91 square meters on the upper floor, so it's 180, and house 2 will be something, I mean, very pretty much the same, so 360. Then the house 3, this one, is something like 150. We can widen a little bit in here. Oh, yeah, we can do something to get some more space in here, and so that gives a total of 530, and FSR is close to 0.5. So please let us know if you're happy with this, and if so, then I get Anton to keep, I mean, resolving the house. I mean, just putting some more thoughts, but I think this strategy can work. I think I'm pretty happy. Now, Anton, the only thing is that this file is this one, Control Shift Z, and I have saved this on the 17 DD, and it's called temp, this file, temp MGP. So as soon as you can put this into the file, we delete my file. So it's this one, but you get the idea. Okay, cheers, bye bye.